Choosing the right skincare products can be overwhelming with so many options out there. But with the right products, achieving healthy, glowing skin becomes much easier. In today's video, I'm reviewing 5 of the best skincare products that are perfect for addressing common skincare concerns. From gentle cleansers to SPF and potent serums, these products have been tried, tested, and loved by skincare enthusiasts worldwide. Let's dive into these top choices. Kicking off our list at number 1, Cetaphil Gentle Cleanser. The Cetaphil Gentle Cleanser is a dermatologist-recommended, mild, non-irritating formula designed for all skin types, especially sensitive skin. Known for its gentle yet effective cleansing, this product has been trusted for decades. It's free from harsh ingredients like soap and fragrances, making it a go-to option for individuals with delicate skin or conditions like eczema or rosacea. Key features: the Cetaphil Gentle Cleanser is formulated with a non-foaming, soap-free formula that effectively removes dirt, oil, and makeup without stripping the skin of its natural moisture. It is enriched with a unique combination of ingredients that hydrate the skin while cleansing. The formula is fragrance-free, non-comedogenic, and pH-balanced to prevent any disruption to the skin's protective barrier. Benefits and usage. The primary benefit of using Cetaphil Gentle Cleanser is its ability to clean the skin thoroughly without causing irritation. Its mild formula makes it suitable for daily use and works well for sensitive skin, which can often react negatively to harsher cleansers. You can use it twice a day, once in the morning and once before bed, for fresh, clean skin. Simply apply to damp skin, massage gently, and rinse off for a refreshed complexion. Usability. The Cetaphil Gentle Cleanser is incredibly easy to use. The pump bottle design makes it convenient for both home and travel use. It's ideal for a quick skincare routine, providing the perfect first step in your regimen. You won't need to worry about excessive lather or residue, as it rinses clean, leaving your skin soft and smooth. Plus, it's suitable for all ages, making it a great family-friendly option. Durability. Cetaphil is known for its high-quality, long-lasting products, and this cleanser is no exception. The 16-ounce bottle lasts for a long time, even with daily use. Its gentle formula ensures that it won't expire quickly, and the bottle design is durable and easy to handle. While it may not produce a rich lather like some other cleansers, its effectiveness and longevity make it worth every penny. In the second spot, we have Paula's Choice BHA Liquid. Paula's Choice BHA Liquid Exfoliant is a cult favorite that utilizes salicylic acid, BHA, to exfoliate dead skin cells, unclog pores, and reduce inflammation. This product is particularly beneficial for individuals with oily or acne-prone skin but works wonders for all skin types. It's known for its ability to provide a deep exfoliation without the abrasiveness of physical scrubs. Key features: the BHA liquid exfoliant contains 2% salicylic acid, which penetrates deep into the pores to dissolve oil and debris, effectively preventing breakouts and minimizing the appearance of pores. It's also packed with soothing ingredients like green tea extract and chamomile, which help calm the skin and reduce redness. The formula is alcohol-free, ensuring it doesn't dry out or irritate the skin. Benefits and usage. This product offers numerous benefits, including clearer, smoother, and more even-toned skin. It helps reduce the appearance of blackheads, whiteheads, and blemishes, while preventing new breakouts from forming. To use, apply a small amount to a cotton pad and gently swipe it across the face after cleansing. Use it in the evening, as salicylic acid can increase sensitivity to the sun. Follow up with your favorite moisturizer to lock in hydration. Usability. Paula's Choice BHA Liquid Exfoliant is straightforward to use as part of your evening skincare routine. Simply apply a few drops onto a cotton pad and gently sweep it across your face, avoiding the eye area. It dries quickly, and there's no need to rinse. The formula is light and non-sticky, making it comfortable to wear overnight. Users can easily integrate it into their existing regimen without fuss or complications. Durability. This product is known for its longevity. The 4-ounce bottle lasts a long time even with regular use. The formula is gentle enough for daily use but can be used less frequently if your skin is more sensitive. The sleek, pump-style packaging ensures easy access and prevents contamination, ensuring the product remains fresh and effective for extended use. Coming in at number 3 is the Skinceuticals C E Ferulic. Skinceuticals C E Ferulic is a potent antioxidant serum designed to protect the skin from free radical damage caused by environmental stressors, such as pollution and UV exposure. Combining 15% vitamin C, ascorbic acid, 1% vitamin E, and 0.5% ferulic acid, this serum delivers a powerful defense against premature aging while brightening the skin. Key features. The star ingredients in Skinceuticals C E Ferulic include pure vitamin C, which boosts collagen production and brightens dark spots, vitamin E, which provides added protection, and ferulic acid, an antioxidant that stabilizes the formula and enhances its effectiveness. The serum also helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, promoting a smoother, more youthful-looking complexion. Benefits and usage. The primary benefit of using C E Ferulic is its ability to protect against sun damage, a major contributor to skin aging. The serum also helps reduce the appearance of discoloration and provides the skin with a radiant glow. To use, apply 4 to 5 drops to your face, neck, and chest in the morning, after cleansing and toning, but before moisturizing. It's important to use sunscreen afterward for added protection. Usability. Skinceuticals C E Ferulic is easy to incorporate into any skincare routine. The dropper applicator ensures precise dosing, making it easy to control how much product is used. The lightweight formula absorbs quickly into the skin without leaving a greasy residue. It's perfect for those with oily or combination skin, but it's also effective for dry and sensitive skin types. It pairs well with other products, including moisturizers and sunscreens. Durability. The product is designed for longevity, with the dark glass bottle preventing the serum from degrading due to exposure to light. While the serum may seem a bit expensive, a little goes a long way, and it typically lasts for several months. Its stability and effectiveness in protecting against environmental damage make it worth the investment for anyone serious about anti-aging and skin protection. Taking our 4th spot is EltaMD UV Clear SPF 46. EltaMD UV Clear SPF 46 is a broad-spectrum sunscreen that offers protection against both UVA and UVB rays. This lightweight, non-comedogenic sunscreen is designed for sensitive skin types, including those prone to acne, rosacea, and hyperpigmentation. It's one of the most recommended sunscreens by dermatologists for those who need effective sun protection without irritation. Key features. EltaMD UV Clear features a unique combination of zinc oxide and niacinamide, an anti-inflammatory ingredient that helps soothe the skin. It offers broad-spectrum protection with SPF 46, making it suitable for daily use. The lightweight, oil-free formula is perfect for acne-prone skin, as it won't clog pores. It's also free from fragrance, parabens, and other harsh chemicals, making it safe for sensitive skin. Benefits and usage. This sunscreen helps protect the skin from harmful UV rays while preventing premature aging, discoloration, and other sun-related skin damage. The niacinamide helps calm redness and inflammation, making it a great choice for those with sensitive skin conditions. Apply generously to the face, neck, and chest at least 15 minutes before sun exposure, and reapply every 2 hours when outdoors. Usability. EltaMD UV Clear is easy to incorporate into your skincare routine, as it works well under makeup and doesn't leave a white cast. The smooth, lightweight texture absorbs quickly, making it ideal for daily use. It's perfect for individuals with sensitive or acne-prone skin who need a sunscreen that provides protection without causing breakouts or irritation. Durability. This sunscreen is highly durable, offering long-lasting protection throughout the day. The 1.7-ounce bottle lasts a good while, even with frequent use. The formulation remains effective, providing reliable sun protection, and the packaging is compact and travel-friendly, making it easy to carry with you on the go. And finally, at number 5, we have Drunk Elephant Protini Cream. Drunk Elephant Protini Cream is a protein-packed moisturizer that nourishes and revitalizes the skin. This product is a favorite for those looking to improve skin texture and elasticity, as it's formulated with a blend of peptides, amino acids, and growth factors that support the skin's natural structure. It's suitable for all skin types, especially those with dry or aging skin. Key features: Drunk Elephant Protini Cream contains a blend of 9 signal peptides, which help rebuild and support the skin's moisture barrier. It also includes a combination of amino acids, soy protein, and an array of rich moisturizers, which work together to improve skin firmness, elasticity, and hydration. The product is free of essential oils, silicones, and fragrance, ensuring that it's gentle on even the most sensitive skin. Benefits and usage: Protini Cream is designed to provide both immediate and long-term benefits. It deeply hydrates the skin, reduces the appearance of fine lines, and restores firmness and elasticity. For best results, apply a generous amount to clean, dry skin twice daily. Use it as your moisturizer step in the morning and night routine for a soft, plump complexion. Usability: this cream is easy to use as part of any skincare regimen. Its lightweight, creamy texture makes it suitable for layering with other products, and it absorbs quickly into the skin without leaving a greasy residue. Protini Cream is a versatile product that's effective in both colder months when you need extra moisture and in warmer months as a daily hydrating treatment. Durability: the Drunk Elephant Protini Cream is a highly effective product that lasts for months even with daily use. The 1.69-ounce container is compact, but a little goes a long way. The airless pump packaging ensures the formula remains fresh, and the product stays stable for a long time. It is a reliable choice for maintaining skin health over time. That wraps up our review of the best skincare products to add to your routine. Whether you're looking to hydrate, exfoliate, or protect your skin, these 5 products cover all the bases. With regular use, you'll notice a visible improvement in your skin's texture, appearance, and health. Don't forget, consistency is key. Let me know in the comments which product you're excited to try. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.